which is good because the birds know what the shed is and they know what it's like in there, so they're kind of used to the shed. But they're more like it outside than they do in here. But at least they have a little place to be in when it's winter time. Right, I'm gonna go back because it is bloody hot in here. And again with the door. These are all my stupid unicorn socks. Okay. And back. Hello, Cookie. Hello. No, he's not doing it. Hey you. Hey you. Such a good. Oh, it's okay. Hello, Purple. Hi, sweetie. Oh my god, he's never looked cuter. It might be hard to get them in the little house before winter, but hopefully they'll kind of know that they need to go in there. Look at him, he looks so happy. Look at his little toes. As you can see, the reason he's named Purple is there's purpley bits and blue bits on him. And Olive has like greenish bits on him, so that's why we named him Olive. But unfortunately, we thought Olive and Purple at first were girls. So that's why we picked such girlyish names, but in the end we agreed that the names did suit a boy as well. Now if you do not know, as you can see, Purple has a purpley cere. That means he's a boy. At first we thought it meant he was a girl. Turns out it means it's a boy. And Olive, at first he had a really dark face, so we thought he was a girl. But then as he got older, it started getting lighter and he started getting the orange cheeks. So we were like, uh-oh, it's a boy.
But they get on really well, don't they?
Yeah, they are like my sons. They are my sons. If anyone asks if I got kids, I say I have 2 sons, which are these 2. These 2 are like our brothers. They're not really because they're from different species, but to me they're adopted brothers, and they even treat each other like family because they eat together, which means by animal experts that when they eat together, that means they see each other as family, and we are family. And they fight, they love, they fight, they love. As you can see, they're not really in the mood for chatting today. Kitten's plotting his next murder. Kitten had a brother named Pirate who unfortunately passed away. So unfortunately we've only got him now. Can't show him because he's going over to the bins, which have our address on. And sadly guys, you are not allowed to know our address. But I hope you guys liked this. We will be making some more videos on this channel. So if you like this, please like, subscribe, put notifications on, and comment what bird you have and what you want us to do next. Bye guys, love you all. Say goodbye, Olive. No, they're not having it. Bye guys.